Right. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss home automation using Arduino with Bluetooth module. As you can see here, yeah, that's main contactor, that is SPPR, and that is the main contactor. This is Arduino. It is Bluetooth module. Here you can see that the downward, that is Bluetooth module. Here we have connected from main contactor
MCB
to that is MCB, right? From there to SPPR, from SPPR to main contactor, and from main contactor to again we have connected to MCB, from MCB to again to contactor and other contactors. From this contactor we have connected an LED, right? From other contactor we have connected bulb. As you can see, the connection are given, and to the main contactor the supply has been given from here to this board, right? Initially the switch is off. As we are going to turn on the switch, this main contactor is being connected to SMPS right here. The light glows. This SMPS is converting 230 volts into 12 volts. As we know that Arduino has to be given a 12 volts DC, right? So 230 is being converted to 12 volts DC, and this wire is connected directly to here Arduino, right? This thing Arduino. As you can see, the supply terminals are given here, right? And this Arduino is using 12 volts, and this is actually Bluetooth module. And from Bluetooth module, as you can see, the mobile phone. In this we have installed what we can say
Arduino Bluetooth control device.
That software from Play Store. We have got a software and we have installed it. Now we will show you the working. The device 1, if you switch on the on button, there the LED is going to glow, okay? And from device 2, as you can see, it is device 2, and we switch on the device 2, this bulb is going to glow. So we will see the working. Switch on the device 1. Switch on the device 1. Okay. Connect. Initially we have to connect. Yeah, it is connecting. Connected. Switch on. Yeah.
फोन के साथ आना
Again.
पीछे दूर बल्ब का दूर से
Now the second bulb.
दूर
Okay.
दूर चल वायरलेस पावर
As you can see, that the wireless control of power or wireless switching is being done through the Arduino with the help of software. And now we are going to switch on both. That LED is being good, and switch off both. Yeah. Pretty sure now you understood what's happening right now. This is basically home automation or industrial automation or anything you can say. The wiring is simple, guys. Here directly from there, yeah, you can see that from there we are directly connected to SMPS. From SMPS to Arduino, and Arduino is directly connected to the contactor line here, neutral. Yeah, that's line and neutral. Okay. And here is one more thing is that the Arduino is a Bluetooth module. Here the software we have installed from Play Store, and this is actually two contactors, SMPS and everything. Thank you guys.